Hi guys, I hope you're all keeping well and safe. Welcome to Early Years Matters TV. On this channel, we focus on everything early childhood related. And if these are the kind of videos you're looking for, what you have to do is subscribe. And not just subscribe, turn on that notification bell so that whenever a new video is being dropped on this channel, you'll be the first person to be notified. Today, I've got an interesting topic. I'm going to be talking about careers with an early childhood care and education degree. In my last two videos, I spoke about why you should do a degree in early childhood care and education. Maybe perhaps as a result of watching the two videos, I've been able to convince and not confuse you that early childhood care and education degree is the best for you. And you're not wondering, yeah, I think, yes, I'm going to do a degree in early childhood care and education. I'm going to enroll for a degree in early childhood care and education. And you're wondering about the career prospect. Okay, after 3 years, 4 years of my life, what am I going to do with this degree? Don't worry. There are a lot of options. I'm going to break it down, maybe perhaps from talking about some of the options, the careers available in early childhood care and education. You might think, yes, I think one of this career is definitely for me. One thing I often say to people is that early childhood care and education is broad. We're talking about early childhood care and education. We're talking about the holistic care of young children from either birth to 6 or birth to 8. It depends on the country that you're based in. For example, I'm based in the Republic of Ireland. Here for us, early childhood is from birth to 6. So can you now see that it's broad? If you have a degree in early childhood care and education, there's a lot of jobs, a lot of career prospect that people don't think about. And this is one thing I often say to my student. For instance, every year we always have first year students when they start their journey in early childhood. So most of the time they think, well, if I have a degree in early childhood, I'm just going to only work in the creche, work in the preschool. No, there are lots of other jobs opportunity, other career path that people don't really think about, or they really think about, oh, it's only to be a preschool teacher. It's beyond being a preschool teacher. So let me start. One of the career prospects in early childhood is to become a preschool teacher. So do you want to be a preschool teacher? And you also need to bear in mind that being a preschool teacher is broad. So you need to think about, do you want to be a preschool teacher? Do you want to work with children from perhaps the age of 3 to 5? Okay, what do you really like about this job? It's not just about this position, not just saying, yes, I think I'm going to be a preschool teacher. Yes, it's good. This is one of the career path that you could think of you're going to venture into after having your degree in early childhood care and education. Do you want to be a preschool teacher? Do you want to work with children from the ages of 3 upward? Is this something that you love to do? I've often seen people say things such as, no, I don't want to work with babies. I don't want to work with toddlers. Fine. You need to know yourself. You need to know the area that you're good at. Yes, some people would say, oh, Florence, I don't like working with babies. I don't like working with toddlers. Fair play to you. So it depends on the path that you're interested in. Like I said, early childhood is broad. So with children from birth to 6 or birth to 8. So you might be that person saying that, no, I don't like dealing with children from birth to 3. So definitely you'll be aiming towards being a preschool teacher. So you'll be dealing with children from around the ages of 2.5 years upward. So this is one career path that you could pursue after a degree in early childhood care and education. Another career path you could pursue is having your own preschool setting. Yes, after having a degree in early childhood care and education, you could decide you're going to set up your own business. You want to be in control. You want to have your own business. Yes, fair play to you. I know some people might say that, yes, I prefer, working on my own. I prefer having my own business. So you could be a preschool owner, and coupled with the fact that you also have a degree in early childhood care and education, which is really good. So you've learned all the theoretical aspects of how to manage a preschool, how to establish a preschool, what are the things that is required, if you're going to employ others to work with you, what qualification is required, are you going to ensure health and safety? There's a lot when you decide that you want to be a preschool owner. But this is something that you could think about. Perhaps maybe you're in your year 2, year 3, year 4 of your degree, or perhaps you might even be in your year 1. This is one option that you could be thinking about. At the end of my 3-year degree, 4-year degree, I'm going to establish a preschool setting. But it requires a lot. You're going to do your feasibility study, the area you're going to establish the preschool, what is required. You need to be able to liaise with the government in your local area that are in charge of early childhood care and education, that they will be able to put you through. So another career prospect in early childhood care and education is to become a preschool owner. career prospect is you could become a teaching assistant. Yes. You might be thinking, yes, you want to work in a setting. I don't want to work in creche. I don't want to work in preschool. I'm going to be a teaching assistant. So what does it mean to be a teaching assistant? So for you to be a teaching assistant, you'll be assisting the class teacher in the room. Yes, you're going to have somebody that is in charge of the classroom, who is the class teacher. And you'll be working hand in hand with this person. You'll be working as a team with this person towards supporting the children in the classroom. For instance, you could have children that has, special needs. Another career prospect could be being a special needs assistant. So if you're a special needs assistant, you'll be assisting the children in the classroom to support a particular child or a group of children. You might be supporting two children in the classroom, or it could be one child that you're supporting. So this is another career prospect. You could be a teaching assistant or a special needs assistant. If you think, no, I don't want to work in creche, I don't want to work in preschool, I want to work in a setting. So you could be a special needs assistant or teaching assistant either in a primary school or secondary school. Another career prospect is childminder or nanny. Yes, I also be a childminder or nanny. If this is something that you want to venture into, you want to having your own business, it's similar to being a preschool owner. So you want to be a nanny, you want childminder. This is something that you could think of as well. And one good thing that you have is you have your degree in early childhood care and education. So if you have a parent coming to you, this is something that you could show off and tell them that you have a degree in early childhood care and education. You're not just want to be a nanny or a childminder because there's no job available, or you feel that this is the job that you just want to show into. No, you have your degree in early childhood care and education. So you're even overqualified to be a nanny or a childminder. But this could be another career prospect. Maybe you just want to have your own business. You want to think about becoming a nanny or a childminder. This is another career prospect in early childhood care and education. Our prospect is to become an early years specialist. Yes, to become an early years specialist. By the time you finish your degree in early childhood care and education, you're a specialist in the field of early childhood care and education. So you could think of another career prospect to become an early years specialist. So when you're an early years specialist, you'll be supporting preschools. So you'll be assigned some preschools that you'll be supporting them. So you'll be supporting the early childhood educator in the setting in relation to supporting the children, promoting the holistic development of the young child. So you could become an early years specialist. You're qualified to become an early years specialist because you have a degree in early childhood care and education. So you've learned about the theoretical aspect, the part of how to promote holistic development of the young child, how to work as a member of a team, how to deal with other multidisciplinary team. So you could venture into being an early years specialist. Another career prospect is to become a play therapist. Yes, you could become a play therapist or a play specialist. Yes, you could become a play specialist. In relation to early childhood care and education, everything you're going to be learning is through play. How you're going to support children, how to play, how to use play to promote their holistic development. So you can see that you've learned all about play. Everything you're learning is about play. So you're the specialist when it comes to play. So this is a career prospect you could look at as well, to become a play specialist or play. The career prospect is family support specialist. Yes, you could become a family support specialist. If you're that person that you think that you want to support family, this is an area that you could venture into. You want to support family in relation to how they can promote their children's holistic development, how they can support their children at home, what are the things to do with their children at home. So you should be aiming towards becoming a family specialist. So the job that you could think of as well, with a degree in early childhood care and education, you could become a family specialist. With a degree in early childhood care and education, you could become a teacher in some countries such as Dubai. Yes, if you have a degree in early childhood care and education, you could be a primary teacher in a country such as Dubai. For example, I'm based in Ireland. If you have a degree in early childhood care and education, you can't be a primary school teacher. If you want to be a primary school teacher, you need to do another 18-month or 2-year course, which is known as primary school teaching, for you to become a primary school teacher, and you need to have Irish as a language. So you need to spend extra 18 months or 2 years if you want to be a primary school teacher here in Ireland with a degree in early childhood care and education. But you could go to countries such as Dubai. With your early childhood care and education degree here in Ireland, you can become a primary teacher in Dubai. without not doing extra courses, without not doing extra qualification. So if you're somebody that would like to travel abroad, perhaps you're young, you just want to venture away from the country that you're based in. So you could look at Dubai. In Dubai, with your degree in early childhood care and education, with a degree in early childhood care and education, irrespective of the country that you have such degree, you could become a primary school teacher in Dubai. So this is a career prospect as well. If you're thinking that yes, definitely you want to become a primary school teacher, and maybe you're limited, maybe for instance, you don't have the qualification that is required in your country, and you might be thinking that yes, you want to travel abroad. Are there other countries that you can be a primary school teacher? So Dubai is another country that you could venture into to become a primary school teacher with a degree in early childhood care and education. So haven't highlighted some of the careers that you could venture into with a degree in early childhood care and education? It's important that you do a feasibility study. Look at this area. Is this area that you're interested in? If you want to be a family support specialist, you need to make your research in relation to what is required, where are the jobs going to be advertised. You need to keep an eye on where the jobs are going to be advertised. It's not just saying, well, I want to be a family specialist, I want to go and work in Dubai as a primary school teacher. You need to pay closer attention to when the jobs are advertised, apply for the jobs, people that are working in the area already, talk to them, ask them questions. Is there anything that you need to know before you venture into this line? It's important that you do your research, not just saying, well, I want to worker. What is required? Talk to people that are working in the area as well. Gather the information that you need before you now say, yes, this is a career path that you want to follow. So can you leave it in the what career prospect are you really interested in? Of all the career prospects that I've mentioned, which one are you really interested in? Or is there some careers that I've not mentioned that you're really interested in? You can leave them in the comment below and we'll all be able to learn. But do not forget to subscribe to this channel. This channel subscription is free, and not just subscribe, turn on that notification bell so that whenever a new video like this is being dropped on this channel, you'll be the first person to be notified. And until I come your way next time, stay safe and mind yourselves for now. Bye.